students, I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a chapter titled Glimpses of the Past. This chapter I have to teach you today. And this chapter gives us message about our past. Means whatever has been already happened in our country during the British government or also before the British government, those very things have been mentioned in this very chapters. And through this very chapter, we will come to know that when British government came to India, how they applied their mind, how they applied their intelligence, and how they downed Indian rulers. Now, just come to this very chapter. It is said that India was called a golden bird, and in India there was valuable things available. Due to this, when foreigners came to India for business point of view, they became very greedy after watching the valuable things of India. And in India, French come, Dutch come, Portuguese, so many foreigners came to India for business point of view. Among them, English also came, and British businessmen, they were masterminded. So they got permission from Indian Emperor to establish a company named East India Company, and this company was established in West Bengal. It is said that if anybody want to suppress anybody, then at first that body try to attack on the educational system. In Bengal, Bengal was the hub of scholars. Bengal was the hub of educated people. Due to this, British government wanted to at first control Bengal. Due to this, East India Company was established in Bengal, and East India Company appointed his own army, and he also make himself very strong. Then East India Company and its officers, they applied their mind and they started to pursue the Indian princes to fight against each other. When Indian princes were fighting against each other, East India Company started to defeat them one by one. In this way, a time came when whole India became the slave under the British government. Then Britishers they realized that now they are the everything in India, and they did not care the Indians. So at that time, the condition of Indians was very miserable, and Indians have no food to eat, Indians have no cloth to wear, Indians have no house to live, and they were not living the life better than animals, but their life was worse than the animals. And also in India there was different rituals, bad rituals, means child marriage and very attraction towards the religion. These very practices were going on in India. It is said that it was Raja Ram Mohan Rai who understood the East India Company and their officers and also British government policy, and Raja Ram Mohan Rai went to England. He also raised his sound against British government, but there was no any effect. And it was Tipu Sultan who also understood the British government policy, who fought against the British government, and in the battlefield he died. When India became completely slave, then British government wanted to produce a series of clerks, and we can say that some workers, so that it would be easy to rule over India. Due to this, Lord Macaulay, he put a proposal before the British government that the education system must be in English medium in India. And due to English education in English medium, some scholars, they also born in India. Means somebody studied and they understood that really what they have to do, and due to this they started school, college, etc. But continuously the revolt was going on, and it was Mangal Pandey It was Mangal Pandey who was an army in the British government, and he also understood. So he attacked on his own head of the army, and Mangal Pandey, he was given capital punishment. He was also hanged. But Mangal Pandey gave a message to the country that if you want to make India free, we will have to struggle hard and hard. Then in 1857, the first strong revolt was started by Indians, and due to lackage of unity, this revolt was once again suppressed by the British government. And a lot of persons came in India, and at last on 1947 India became free. Since then we are free here. So this story gives us knowledge about our past. Means whatever wrong decision was taken by our we can say that rulers, due to those very wrong decisions British came here. So now we have to always very punctual, very sincere, and we must be in situation that our rulers, that our we can say that leaders, they will not take any decision which will bring harm to the country. So this is from my side for today. Thank you.